In today's video, I'm going to show you the truth about MoonSpry Roach Repellent, a product that claims to attract cockroaches, eliminate them once they consume it, and keep your space pest-free in the long run. It sounds impressive, especially since it promises to save you time and effort by reducing the need for frequent reapplications. But the real question is, does it actually work? Let's break it down. On the positive side, the product is available across several online platforms, and most listings provide clear, step by step instructions. That's great for first time users who want to make sure they're applying it correctly. Another benefit is that MoonSpry promotes its repellent as being effective in a wide variety of settings, whether it's at home, in hotels, shops, or markets. The product claims to tackle cockroach problems in different environments. The brand also positions it as an all in one solution to help maintain a cleaner, more comfortable, and pest free space. However, there's a major drawback: there are no customer reviews available. That's a big red flag, because reviews are crucial for understanding how well a product actually performs in real life situations. Without that feedback, it's difficult for potential buyers to fully trust the claims or feel confident about making a purchase. So, what's the verdict? While MoonSpry Roach Repellent offers some promising features like easy instructions and wide usability, the complete absence of user reviews makes it harder to gauge its true effectiveness. Thank you for watching this video.